Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the best in beauty, wellness, and everything in between. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that is designed for both comfort and practicality, especially for professionals on the move, Yaheetech's Massage Table. This foldable, portable, and adjustable massage bed is marketed as a versatile tool for beauty therapists, lash artists, and even home users looking for that perfect spa experience. But does it live up to its promise? Let's break it down. The Yaheetech Massage Table is built with convenience in mind. It's foldable, portable, and lightweight, weighing just 32 pounds. When folded, it transforms into a compact carry case with secure clasps, making it easy to transport and store. For professionals who need a reliable table that won't take up too much space, or those who need to move it between locations, this table is designed to fit the bill. The compact nature of the table means it's perfect for tight spaces, whether in a busy salon or a small home studio. Crafted with beechwood legs and filled with a high-density sponge, the table offers a sturdy yet soft experience. The PVC leather cover adds to the comfort, being both breathable and oil-proof, which is crucial for those long sessions. It's also waterproof and easy to clean, something that's always a plus in a busy beauty setting. When it comes to comfort, the design really stands out. The bed has an adjustable backrest and 8 different height settings to suit a range of needs. Whether you're a lash artist or a massage therapist, you can customize the height and angle of the table to your preferences, ensuring a comfortable working position every time. One feature I particularly like is the adjustable headrest, which doubles as a face cradle. It's easily removable and can be adjusted to different heights and angles. Plus, the quick-fix locking device ensures that it stays in place. For those using it for facial treatments or lash extensions, the headrest's flexibility is a game changer. It allows clients to remain comfortable during long sessions, and you can quickly adjust it without disrupting the flow of your work. In terms of real-world testing, I found the Yaheetech Massage Table to be a dream to work with. It's easy to set up, and adjusting the height or backrest is a simple task. The padding feels luxurious, soft enough to make the client comfortable, but firm enough to provide the necessary support. I used it for a few lash extension sessions, and it held up perfectly. The portability aspect really shines too. No struggling to move or pack it away when you're done. Now let's talk about some of the pros and cons. On the positive side, the comfort level is impressive, especially considering the price point. The adjustable features give it versatility, making it suitable for a range of beauty treatments. It's also very easy to clean, which is a huge benefit when working in a professional setting. Plus, the fact that it folds down so neatly and is easy to carry makes it a top choice for anyone with a mobile beauty business. On the flip side, the bed could use a little more support in terms of sturdiness when fully extended. While it is stable, it may wobble slightly under heavier use. This isn't a deal breaker for most, but it's something to keep in mind if you're working with larger clients or using it for longer durations. Additionally, while the leather is durable, I did notice a bit of wear after repeated cleaning, so proper care will be necessary to maintain its appearance. As for value for money, I think this table offers a good balance of quality and affordability. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but considering its portability, comfort, and adjustable features, it's priced reasonably. If you're a professional who needs a versatile and lightweight massage bed that won't break the bank, this is a solid choice. If you're looking for something with even more luxury, though, there are higher-end options available that offer additional features like thicker padding or more durable frame construction. But for those on a budget, this is a great alternative. In terms of build quality, the materials are solid for the price, but the table might not be as long-lasting as premium models. While the beechwood legs are sturdy, they don't have the same heft as some of the higher-end professional tables. But considering the table's lightweight nature and portability, this isn't a huge issue for most users. It's perfect for those who need something that's easy to transport and store. Unfortunately, I didn't have any direct interaction with Yaheetech's customer service, but based on the reviews and the brand's reputation, they seem to have a solid track record of handling inquiries and issues. To wrap things up, The Yaheetech Massage Table offers a great balance of portability, comfort, and functionality at a reasonable price. It's perfect for beauty professionals on the go, lash artists, or anyone in need of a reliable, portable massage table. While it may not offer the absolute highest level of sturdiness or premium construction, it delivers where it counts: comfort and convenience. If you're looking for an affordable yet practical solution, this could be the one for you. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.